Your phone takes forever to charge, and you probably blame the charging cable, which it could be. But for the most case, it's your using and charging style that makes your phone take hours to charge, only to get to zero in less time. Make sure to watch and apply these 7 solutions as explained in the video to notice clear increment of speed. Before we continue, if you want to stay ahead of everyone on tech news, all you have to do is click on the subscribe button now. Let's get into the video. Solution 1. Eliminating the background drain. Your phone can waste a lot of energy just searching for signals, which slows down charging. Switching to airplane mode eliminates that drain and lets all the power go straight into the battery. If you still need to stay reachable, turning off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and location achieves almost the same effect without missing anything important. Once you've cut down this invisible drain, you'll see why what you do with your phone next matters even more. This brings us to the next solution. Solution 2. Let the phone alone. The goal here is to minimize the load on the phone or any device while it is charging, which will make a surprisingly big difference. You probably know this. Using it drains power as fast as it's coming in, so even scrolling or watching videos adds extra minutes. Turning the screen off or simply letting it rest lets the battery climb faster, almost like it's in turbo mode. And while we're on the topic of speed, what your phone feels while charging plays a bigger role than most people realize, which will lead us to the next solution. Solution 3. Tame the heat. Heat is the silent enemy of fast charging. Charging naturally warms your device, and the hotter it gets, the slower the battery fills. Removing your case, placing it on a hard, flat surface, keeping it out of direct sunlight, or even propping it up to let air circulate can make a noticeable difference. When the temperature is under control, the next tip ensures that power actually reaches the battery efficiently. Solution 4. Use the right cable. Not all cables are created equal. Original or certified cables deliver full power, while cheap or damaged ones can bottleneck the flow. Even the strongest charger won't help if the cable restricts it. Once you've got the right cable, you'll see why where you plug it in can either slow everything down or speed it up dramatically, which will lead us to the next solution. Solution 5. Use the main source. Almost all of us use adapters, power banks, or USB ports on laptops, which are convenient, but they don't deliver the same consistent current. Charging from a wall socket beats every other option. Plugging directly into the wall ensures maximum speed, and it's such a simple change that most people overlook. And while hardware is important, software can be just as crucial for fast, safe charging, leading directly to our next solution. Solution 6. Upgrading the software. Keeping your phone's software up to date optimizes how it handles power. Updates often include battery management improvements, and some phones have modes that further optimize charging. But no matter how good your software is, the way you treat your battery over time matters just as much, which will lead us to our final solution. Don't wait until it reaches zero. Lithium-ion batteries perform best when they don't fall too low too often. Keeping it above 20% protects the battery and allows it to charge more efficiently when you plug in. Consistency not only improves speed, but also longevity. With this approach, you'll notice your battery bar moving faster. That's all for today's video, guys. I am soon posting video on how to keep your phone's battery life safe before it's too late, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss it.